Hindi ako mahilig sa anik-anik. Hindi yung anik-anik na accessory, pero yung anik-anik like for the eyes to see. Gets mo ba? Now that I'm older, I'm looking for something more functional. Pag hindi ko magamit, I feel like I don't need it in my house.
Totoo.
Like for me, space is so important now.
Oo, totoo yan. Ganyan din ako.
And I know it sounds kind of ironic seeing all these mess behind me, guys, but trust me, my house is my studio. It's my working space, and that's why I have so much props. If only I had enough money to rent like a studio space, feeling ko dito sobrang clear na like boom, wala na.
Saka mas madali linisin ang bahay pag walang mga stuff.
This is why I always make like a list. I learned this from a vlogger eh. In Korea kasi normal yung gumagawa sila ng list ng gusto nila.
Wish list, gano'n.
Yeah, wish list. Actually, may feature ng ganun sa KakaoTalk. Alam mo ba?
Oo, meron. Nakita ko nga.
Diba? On my birthday, ito yung mga gusto ko. Tapos, pwede mo i-check out for them through KakaoTalk. And you can buy it straight from their profile. Tapos, masiship yan sa bahay nila.
Kaya nga.
Diba? Sobrang talino, diba?
Very practical.
But
diba?
like, people here, they get offended.
Kaya nga eh.
I did that one time na I made like a Shopee, like a cart list. Some were kind of offended.
Ano sabi?
Gifts should come from a heart. Do you find it offensive?
Pero, hindi naman. For me, parang thankful pa ako kung makaka-receive ako ng wishlist dun sa may tao na re-regaluhan ko. Siyempre, hindi na ako mag-iisip, di ba? Mamimili ka na lang dun, tapos di mo pa iisip.
If you guys don't know what to give, vouchers are the best. Vouchers in the SM department store, Starbucks, Commonwealth, Adidas, Nike. Hingi kayo sa counter. Whether that be 1K, 500, it doesn't matter what the amount is. Kasi pwede mo dagdagan yan eh. Normalize making list. Normalize making birthday wish list, Christmas wish list. Tapos check out. Come on.